everyone, and welcome. I'm glad you're here. Today, we are going to be talking about the Re-Evolution 2.0 conference, which is for English language educators. So you are all welcome to attend. And today, I'm joined by 4 of the presenters from the conference. They're going to tell you a little bit about who they are, what you can learn from them, with them next weekend. So maybe, Glenda, could you start us off?
Yeah, hello everybody. My name is Glenda Gallardo and I'm from Lima, Peru. And well, I am an English language teacher and right now I work at 2 universities, Universidad Peruana de Ciencias Aplicadas and Universidad de Lima, where I teach general English to undergraduates. So in the workshop that I'll share with you, I'll talk about some strategies and activities that I do in my classes. Well, like many of us, we still teach online, yes, ERT. So my workshop is called Teaching Vocabulary in an Interactive Way, in an active way. And so I'll share the activities I do in my class and I'll listen to you. And then with the Q&A, hopefully we'll exchange ideas that are going to help us just like maybe collaborate and have a good time, and also learn something new, and maybe that you can use then in your context. Thank you.
Hello, everyone. My name is Sergio, and I am from Mexico City. I am going to present an open access project for teachers all around the world. The project consists of a series of open access online resources that include digital books, interactive videos, interactive games, and instant feedback assessments. It is my very hope that we will all enjoy our time at the conference Revolution 2.0 Beyond the Screen.
Hi, everyone. I'm Cynthia Rolón, and I'm from Paraguay. I'm a teacher trainer at Instituto de Formación Docente Paraguayo Americano, and I'm also an adjunct professor of pedagogy at the National University of Asunción. I am going to share with you a session called Teach, Research, Act that will be on Saturday afternoon, and it will be about action research. Now, this is a kind of research that teachers can do. They can be involved in it, and they can use it to solve issues that they have in their classrooms. Now, what it is most interesting about this kind of research is that you can see the results quickly, you can share them with your colleagues, and more people can benefit from those results that you got. So I hope to see you there.
Hi, everyone. Enrique Liñan from Peru here, and it is my pleasure to be part of this conference. I will be presenting a session called Taking a Functional Approach to Teaching Grammar, where we will discuss some of the approaches to grammar teaching. We will also identify some key functions and discuss some case studies of success. So I look forward to seeing all of you on Sunday, October 3rd.
So thank you, Enrique. Thank you, everyone. And as I was kind of listening through your presentations there, I realized all of you are in just 2 of our themes. So we have 4 conference themes, and I think all of you are presenting either in case studies of success or plans into action, our applied pedagogy theme. I want to make sure our viewers also know that there are going to be presentations about technology, ideas you may not have heard about technology already. And also there's going to be a theme about balance and care, social and emotional wellness for teachers and also for students. So there's a presentation for everyone there, I hope. But while we're here, I want to ask the presenters, what are you most looking forward to at the conference?
That's a very interesting question. Well, I can't see you face to face, but I'm sure that even though we are online, we will be able to maybe start a friendship and be able to meet, people from all over the world, right? Right now, you see, I'm from Peru. We have there are presenters from almost everywhere. So I'm looking forward to sharing and meeting people and exchanging ideas and benefit as a presenter as well as a participant. Yes. So see you there.
Hello again. I am most looking forward to share experiences with EFL teachers. We should not feel alone given all the many venues of connectivity that are available for all of us to work together to become a stronger community. I very much look forward to meeting you at Revolution 2.0 beyond the screen.
Well, above all, I'm really looking forward to the interaction with other teachers. Just knowing that there are other people from different countries all over the world that are also looking forward to gain knowledge, to share knowledge, and just or perhaps just to make friends, as Glenda mentioned, which is something really, really important. Uh, that sounds really exciting. So see you there.
All right, thank you. For me, I'm really excited and looking forward to, of course, meeting colleagues from all over the world, and also building bridges, right? Like, and looking at the advantages of this pandemic. And in the session, I'm looking forward to hearing experiences from teachers of English, and about what approaches to grammar teaching they use, right? We as English teachers, we love teaching grammar, and we all have different strategies and techniques that we've used. So I'm looking forward to hearing from you and to sharing and learning together.
Great. So thank you. Thank you again. So I want to make sure our viewers know when this event is happening. This is the Re-Evolution 2.0 conference for English language educators. It is October 1st, 2nd, and 3rd. So that starts a week from today. You can come for just one day, or you can come for all three. You need to get your tickets. It is completely online and completely free. But sign up for your tickets now. There's a banner going across the bottom of this video that has the link. You can also find the link in the video description. So like I said before, this is just 4 of our presenters. I am looking forward to hearing them. We have more than 40 hours of content, so there is going to be a workshop for everyone. I'll see you at Re-Evolution. Bye, everyone.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Bye, everyone.
See you in a week.
See you.